Whole Foods. Ready for your popsicle? We need to stock up on some groceries. So today we're going to Whole Foods. Thing about green juices, you go through a lot of fruits, a lot of vegetables. So you got to stock up all the time. Come on, baby. Come on. All right, first stop, Popsicles. So frankly, one of the reasons I'm here is number one, yes, we need to stock up on groceries. 2, love Whole Foods. 3, just giving Judy a break. These two, just all day, screaming for mommy, mommy this, mommy that, non-stop. But they'll ride in my car for 20 minutes to go to Whole Foods, not a peep. Were you quiet in the car? Yeah, she was super quiet, but why not for mommy, huh? You want that one down there? Daddy likes that, just fruit, water, and cane sugar. Okay, well, I don't know about the cane sugar. They have cherry, orange, grape. How about that? Yeah, let's get that one. Come on. This is a winner. Here, you want to hold it? Here, you want to hold it? Go ahead, hold it so we can buy it first. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's grab our popsicles first. 25 calories. I'm cool with that. These are the perfect size. Hey, what flavor do you want? We have grape, cherry, and orange. Which one?
Orange.
You want orange? Okay. Okay, here's the orange one right there. Hey, which one do you want? Do you want cherry or grape?
Yeah.
Oh, you want grape? Okay, I think I understood that right here. There you go. Kids don't need anything fancy, trust me. These are the cheapest little popsicles. All natural, 25 calories. That's all they need. Is it good? Oh, thank God for these double carts. Look at that. Oh yeah, we can fit a lot in here. Most importantly, 2 seats. Like they made this cart for me. Back to what I was shopping for. Definitely one of the best parts of Whole Foods. Organic and local. All right, first thing we're gonna get is kale. Huh, this is some bougie looking kale. I've never seen any kale that look cute. Alright, we'll get 2 of these. That'll be good for 2 juicing sessions. Sugar bee apples. Huh, let's try it. Can't pass this up. Girls, you think you will eat both bags? Yeah, I think so. I remember as a kid, I could down about 8 of those little oranges at about 11, 12 years old. So just imagine how many we go through. I forgot to grab some broccolini. Let's get the ones at the bottom right there. Okay, these are some enormous looking blueberries. Yeah, you want blueberries? Okay, don't worry, we're gonna get blueberries, okay? Super healthy for you. Yes. Cucumbers. This is all I see, but that's not exactly what I want. I was gonna make some nachos for the salsa and guac. Good old Roma tomatoes. Oh, by the way, I did get those cucumbers. I think these will be fine for juicing. I just don't know if the flavor is going to be off. Never seen this before, but they just have some random bottles of olive oil. Oh, finishing oil. No blending, no funny business. That's 100% pure Pico olive oil from J in Spain. Use drizzle after cooking for that good finish. Huh. Never seen it in a plastic bottle like that. You know, one of the myths about eating healthy is that it's really expensive. If I were to skip the meat aisle and basically everything else and just went vegan, ate mostly fruits and vegetables, it's actually not that much. In fact, later when I tell you the total, I'm gonna subtract some of those other foods and show you how affordable, even at Whole Foods, eating healthy really is. If I if I went broke and I still wanted to feed these girls some wholesome foods, number one, I would cook at home, which we already do. And two, we just eat a lot more vegetables. And three, buy in bulk. You do that, especially some of the more expensive stuff, good to go. You know, the challenge is when you go out to eat. That's where it gets really expensive, especially these days. Whew. Gosh, easily our bill if we went to the grocery store, if we went to a restaurant, $100 a pop every single time, minimum. And that's not even, well, I guess maybe that's ordering a beer too. What are you doing? Not the real stuff, you guys. Just skip it. Just skip it. What do we need? Ketchup?
Mommy, tell me like 5.
We need more ketchup? Okay, yeah. All right, you just stay right there, okay? All right, so she let me know we're out of ketchup. Looks like they're getting kind of low too. You know what, let's just get this one. Looks kind of different. Susie's Tomato Organic Ketchup. Double dip worthy? Okay, I like that. Support the small business. All right, so this is one of my favorite buys here at Whole Foods. Right here. You guys need a sleep aid. Pure tart cherry juice. This is better than melatonin. Somebody told me this. In fact, it was like a MLM, multi-level marketing. I thought it was kind of a scam. It is not. And you don't need to buy the MLM version. Just regular tart cherry juice. Half a glass of this right before bed. It's gonna help knock you out, trust me. Better than any kind of medicine. You want the mango one? Is that the one you want? All right, we'll get you the mango blend. I need to stock up right here. The bada bing for my drinks and for ice cream sundaes. What's your special request? Mac and cheese?
Disney movie.
Oh, the Disney one? Oh my gosh, even here at Whole Foods? Uh-oh. You want to try this one? You want to try this one? Are you sure? Okay, you want to hold it? Here, you can hold the other one because guess what? In our house, we need 2 boxes of it. Have fun. That'll keep you busy. The smart branding mac and cheese. You can shape those suckers into anything, including Mickey Mouse. All right, Judy's special request. Topo Chico. Wow, only 1 box? Oh, good thing I got this. That's exactly why you should have kids. Smiles like that. They'll fix your whole day up. My favorite pepperoni for when I make pizza is this brand right here, the 365 uncured pepperoni. I only see 1 bag though. Where's the others? The other thing I would do, feed my girls healthy. The other excuse is I'm too busy, which actually I'm very busy. Trust me, I know how it can get. Is I would make soup. Homemade soup from a whole chicken, which by the way, today, that's what I'm gonna do. I was gonna make it in the pressure cooker to see if it would retain, or if it would keep the smell inside the pot. Second to eating vegetables, green juice, salads, soup with the full animal, so like all the bones and everything. Yes?
I wanna go home.
You wanna go home? You guys wanna go home to mommy? Special request, French fries. I think Judy was saying go to McDonald's, but my girls deserve the best, so I'm gonna get them some of this, and I'll make it for them when we get home. Some duck fat. Surprisingly, they did not have a whole chicken here. You girls, you're just too darn cute, you know that? Okay, anyways, when I get a whole chicken, I usually get it from Costco, so I'll have to get it later. I was really hoping to make it tonight. That's another thing about something like soup. You can make a whole bunch of it, freeze what you don't use, and then have it for the rest of the week. You can put carrots, celery, onions, garlic, whatever vegetables you want in there. You get all those nutrients. And it's so wholesome and it's delicious. Add some pasta in there. Got yourself chicken noodle soup. Alright. Eggs. Oh yeah. So every time this pizza, oh, so tempting. So tempting! So the last time I went to Trader Joe's, I was looking for this exact snack. Parmesan cheese crisps. Hey, do you want one of these in the car? It's a cheese cracker. No? I'll let you try it. You're welcome. It's crazy to think that Amazon owns Whole Foods. They be taking over. All right, we're back in. Girls have a little snack. You were so good, seriously. You were very good for Daddy, thank you. And so were you. All right, $161, that was the total. That was everything, and that cart was fairly full. What was really expensive? Not the vegetables. It was the frozen French fries, believe it or not. The box of Topo Chico. Oh, the eggs. I mean, the eggs are $10, but those are high quality eggs. Oh yeah, and then juice. Juice is expensive. I don't even know what it was, but anyways, gave Judy a break. Hey, husbands, you want some brownie points? Go take the kid or kids away somewhere. Do something productive. That's my strategy the last 10 years. Yeah, that was my shopping trip and haul, kind of, to Whole Foods. Whole Foods, adios, thank you.